Hey friends, Devin here with Make Anything, and today I'm going to teach you some Tippy Tree tricks. One really cool sacred shape, plus one illegal Tippy Tree shape that you definitely shouldn't try. I'm going to teach it to you so that you don't do it, okay? But first we're going to start out with a really cool one, and it's this Sacred Snowflake. This is a really cool shape. And if you want to pause the video and try to make it on your own, it's a pretty fun puzzle. It also can support a good bit of weight, so we're going to see if it can hold up 20 pounds of filament. I really don't know, so we'll find out. But first, let me show you how to make the Sacred Snowflake. For this shape, we need 12 leaves, and we'll start by orienting our first leaf upside down with this groove facing up. Then grab another leaf and connect it so it's going to the left. Then we'll rotate so the second leaf is in that same starting position and do the same thing except to the right. Again, reorient and continue the pattern, alternating left, then right. And left again for the final leaf, except it'll slide in to connect back to the first leaf. And that gives us this star shape. Now, with the remaining 6 leaves, we'll add some extensions wherever we find this wide opening with this second leaf that will lock it into place. So we'll take our next leaf, position it like so, and carefully slide it into place. Then find the next opening, and we'll repeat that same move all around our shape. Just keep everything slotted together or this can quickly fall apart. But if done right, the final structure should support itself and stand on its own. All right, there it is, the Sacred Snowflake. And while this shape can fall apart quite easily if it's held the wrong way, it can support quite a bit of weight from these 3 points. I think. I haven't tried this yet, so let's go ahead and be very careful and see how many spools of filament we can stack on top of this thing. I'm gonna go very slowly here and try to center this. All right. Good start. 2, 3, 4. I heard a crackle. 5. Wow. I didn't think it would make it that far. Let me go run and get some more filament. All right, this is kind of terrifying, I'm not gonna lie, but I owe this to you. This might be more of a test of my balancing skills than anything. Oh, there it is. Oh no. All right, something gave way. I heard it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this one cracked. All right, so nearly 10 spools of filament. And these are only printed with 11% infill and 2 shells. That really makes me wonder how much weight this thing would be able to hold if these were printed solid. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. All right, it's time for the illegal Tippy Tree move. And just so you know, I'm really putting myself on the line here, so stay hush about this one. And don't you dare try it. And all it takes is 4 pieces. It's very simple. Basically, the idea is to repeat this simple connection so all 4 pieces are interconnected. But getting that 4th leaf to connect is pretty tricky. You can't just go one by one, and even if you try connecting 2 halves like this, the pieces won't be able to connect. The secret is to connect all 4 leaves in one motion. And to do that, we need to position them so they're all halfway connected. And if we line them up just right, boom, an eternal bond is formed. There we go. The deed is done. And once done, it can be darn near impossible to take these pieces apart. That's why it's illegal. So you should not try it under any circumstances. Well, unless you want a nice coaster. It does make a great coaster. But if you do end up trying that, don't tell anyone who taught you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, stay inspired.